All right, so I got this Versahaul motorcycle carrier thing on this 2022 Winnebago Mini Winnie Spirit. And so this is the first time I've actually used this, and I think it actually worked out pretty well. I wasn't sure how that was gonna play out, but it stayed pretty secure. And what I did is just to make sure that I've got the straps tightened down enough so that when it bounces, it doesn't loosen and come off. That was the only kind of thing that I was kind of working on to make sure that it's secured the right way. But anyways, just got here now, and I am gonna take this down. And this will be my first dual sport, I think. Although I think I've had, no, I think my second dual sport maybe, but I'll do a review on this. This is the 2020 KLX250 Kawasaki with the camo package on it, which I think kind of looks cool. But that's a review for another day. I actually just picked this up, so I haven't gotten a lot of ride time on it yet, so we'll talk about that later. So right now, I'm just loosening these straps here. And then if you look on this side, the ramp actually just sits down right here, and it's got a little clip. Pull that clip out, and then this kind of comes out. And then that just kind of clips in there. Okay, that's step number one. And then this is going to be the first time I've had to remove a bike from this rack, so I think I'm going to go the reverse of how I set it up. So I did the back last, so I'm going to do it first. And just loosen this. As long as the front is attached, it should stay without moving off or without tilting or anything like that. So loosen this side. Ooh, that's a lot of spring. That's that. So you can see it kind of just stays right there. And then now I'm going to hold it as I loosen this, making sure my chin is not right here in case it springs up. So just loosen that. All right. Probably should have loosened that side first because now it's leaning towards the RV, but it didn't hit it or anything. But in the future, I think loosening that side first may be prudent. And this motorcycle is not that heavy, but if you were doing a motorcycle that's a little bit heavier than this, I think you would want to be a little bit more careful with it. But I've got my hand on the brake now so it doesn't roll off, and I'm just going to loosen this the rest of the way. And actually, I should have done this the opposite way again, so I'm just going to go in here. In the future, I think loosening this side first is probably the best way to do this. All right, I also have it in gear so it wouldn't roll off anyway. So you can see I can try to pull this off because it's in gear, it's not going to roll off. But if it was in neutral, that would be kind of a problem, right? So I'm going to pull my clutch in now, I believe, and I'm just going to roll it back. I think this motorcycle weighs about 300 and some pounds, 317, 320 or something like that, so it's not too heavy, which is another reason why I got it. So the Versahaul itself can hold about 500 pounds. The motorcycle is 317, so we're way within the limit there, but it was easy on, easy off. We'll try to put it back on just to kind of show you what that would look like. So just push it back and try to align with it. I think it'll be best if you align with it. That way you'll tires are lined up with that, and then just kind of push it up. Making sure the back wheel follows. And that's it. And then to do the straps, just do the front ones first. And that's about it. So I'm gonna take it back down again. All right, and that's about it. Cool.